Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Apple is once again gearing up to shake the budget smartphone market with the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4, set for a March 2025 release. Combining affordability, advanced features, and a sleek design, this device has already generated significant buzz, thanks to several exciting leaks and revelations. In this comprehensive breakdown, we'll explore every detail you need to know about the iPhone SE 4 and why it's poised to be a game-changer in the budget smartphone category. 1. USB-C, a new standard for connectivity. Apple is finally embracing the USB-C standard, marking a significant departure from its proprietary Lightning port. This shift is a direct response to evolving global regulations, particularly in Europe, where universal charging standards are now mandatory. With the iPhone SE 4, users will enjoy the convenience of a single cable for charging their iPhones, iPads, and even MacBooks. But this isn't just about convenience. The USB-C port introduces faster charging and data transfer capabilities. Whether you're syncing large files or quickly juicing up your device, this technology ensures a seamless and efficient experience. It's a win for users and a major step toward Apple's alignment with global tech standards. Beyond practicality, this transition underscores Apple's commitment to sustainability by reducing e-waste and encouraging universal compatibility. 2. Strategic timing and affordable pricing. Apple has meticulously chosen March 2025 for the iPhone SE 4's release, strategically positioning it between the iPhone 16 and the future iPhone 17 series. This ensures that the SE 4 occupies a unique market window, targeting budget-conscious consumers who crave Apple's ecosystem. At an estimated starting price of $550, the iPhone SE 4 offers flagship-level features without the flagship price tag. This makes it an attractive option for those who want premium Apple features on a budget. 3. Cutting-edge accessories for enhanced charging. While awaiting the SE 4's release, users can elevate their experience with advanced charging accessories. Multi-device chargers from brands like Ugreen allow you to power multiple gadgets simultaneously, simplifying your tech ecosystem. Compact power banks with wireless and wired options are also excellent for on-the-go charging, ensuring you stay powered wherever you are. 4. Hardware innovations, cameras and display. Apple is redefining what budget smartphones can deliver with the iPhone SE 4's impressive hardware. The 48MP wide-angle rear camera, borrowed from the iPhone 16, ensures stunning image quality, 2x optical zoom, and advanced computational photography. On the front, the 12MP TrueDepth camera provides flawless selfies and smooth FaceTime calls, catering to both casual users and content creators. The display is equally remarkable, featuring a 6.06-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels. The SE 4 promises vibrant colors, sharp contrasts, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, the SE 4's display outshines its predecessors. 5. Unmatched power and performance. At the heart of the iPhone SE 4 lies the A18 Bionic chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM, delivering unparalleled performance. Whether you're editing photos, playing graphically intensive games, or diving into augmented reality, this device handles it all effortlessly. Additionally, Apple's custom 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 chip elevate connectivity, offering blazing fast speeds and reduced latency for an unmatched online experience. 6. Fresh design philosophy. Apple maintains its iconic design language with the iPhone SE 4 while incorporating modern touches. The device features the signature notch for Face ID, ensuring secure authentication. Rumors of a potential iPhone SE Plus model have surfaced, but current insights suggest that Apple is focusing on a single, highly optimized version. Expected color options include a mix of classic shades like Midnight and Starlight, along with vibrant new tones to cater to a broader audience. 7. Long-lasting battery life and fast charging. Battery life is a crucial consideration, and the iPhone SE 4 doesn't disappoint. With a 3,279 mAh battery, the device offers all-day performance under typical usage. Fast charging support of up to 30W ensures quick power-ups, while wireless charging options provide added convenience. Whether you're at home or on the go, the SE 4 ensures that you stay connected and productive. 8. The legacy of the SE series. The SE lineup has always been synonymous with delivering high performance at an accessible price. The The iPhone SE 4 builds on this legacy by offering advanced features and a premium design at a fraction of the cost of flagship models. This device is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade from an older iPhone or switch to another brand without breaking the bank. 9. Why the iPhone SE 4 is worth the wait. As we approach the March 2025 launch, the excitement surrounding the iPhone SE 4 continues to grow. This device is not just another budget smartphone. It's a testament to Apple's dedication to innovation and accessibility. From its powerful hardware and sleek design to its competitive pricing and cutting-edge features, the iPhone SE 4 is set to redefine what's possible in the budget smartphone segment. Stay tuned to technology in the future for more updates on the iPhone SE 4 and other groundbreaking tech releases. Whether you're a casual user, a tech enthusiast, or a die-hard Apple fan, the iPhone SE 4 is a device worth considering.